Welcome to your mirror moment for stress and anxiety. If your mind feels busy or your body feels tense, you're in the right place. You don't need to make any changes. Just allow these next few minutes to support you. Step 1 is acknowledge. Acknowledge stress for 45 seconds. Begin by noticing where stress or anxiety shows up in your body. It might be in your chest, your stomach, your shoulders, or maybe your breathing. You are not doing anything wrong by feeling this way. Stress is simply your system asking for attention. Just notice. No judgment. No resistance. Step 2. Integrate to accept and release it. Slowly inhale through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth as if you are sighing. Continually a slow inhale and a longer, softer exhale. As you breathe, silently repeat this phrase. Even though I feel stressed and anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Let that sink in. Silently repeat. Even though I feel stressed and anxious right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Your body responds to acceptance because you're telling your nervous system, I am safe enough to relax. Imagine the tension slowly loosening, like tight strings softening, like pressure easing. Step 3. Redirect. Now restore calm to 1 or 1.5 minutes. Gently shift your focus. Ask yourself, what would help me feel just a little calmer right now? Choose one calming thought, such as, I am safe in this moment, or nothing is required of me right now, or this feeling will pass. Let that thought settle into your body. You do not need to believe it completely. Just allow it. Visualize that thought gently sinking into your body, your shoulders, chest, arms, hands, legs, and feet. You are filled with a sense of peace, warm movement through your muscles, your bones, and breath. Take one more slow breath in and release it fully. Notice any change, even a small one. Stress and anxiety rise, and they also settle. You can return to this mirror moment anytime you need calm. You're safe. You're present, and you're ready to continue. Thanks for watching. Remember, you have the power to reset any emotional moment. Practice the technique whenever you feel stress, anxiety, or overwhelm. If this video resonated with you, feel free to share it with anyone who may find it helpful. Let's support each other on the journey to calm and clarity. See you next time.